New era of elegance begins. The all-new 2026 Lexus ES, where timeless luxury meets electrified innovation. The first Lexus core sedan reimagined as a multi-platform vehicle, available with advanced hybrid and pure battery electric powertrains. Born from the visionary LFZC concept, the ES embodies Lexus' new design language. Clean Tech X Elegance. A new spindle body expresses power and purity in perfect balance. A trunkless silhouette. A low, confident stance. Every millimeter designed for presence and purpose. Inside, a sanctuary of modern luxury. An open, airy cabin crafted under the same Clean Tech X elegance philosophy. From bamboo layering to thematic ambient illumination, every detail speaks to the senses. The new executive package offers rear seat comfort once reserved for the flagship LS, with reclining, massaging, and heated seats, creating a serene escape for every passenger. The new Tizuna cockpit places control where it matters most. Technology that feels intuitive, not intrusive. With faster voice assistance, wireless connectivity, and an immersive 14-inch Lexus interface. Choose your drive. The refined ES 350h Hybrid, now available with all-wheel drive, delivering effortless power and serene quietness, are the first-ever ES 350e and 500e BEV models, combining zero-emission performance with the soul of a Lexus. With a low center of gravity and intelligent direct-four all-wheel drive, the ES 500e responds to every input with precision and grace. Up to 300 miles of estimated range and fast charging from 10 to 80% in about 30 minutes. Reinforced from the ground up, the redesigned GAK platform delivers a smoother, quieter, more connected drive. And for the first time, the ES introduces Lexus Safety System Plus 4.0, our most advanced suite of driver assist technologies yet. This is more than a new chapter. It's the future of elegance electrified. The all-new 2026 Lexus ES. Experience elegance. Reimagined.